Salvete omnes. Let's continue with Virgil's Aeneid. Illum expirantem transvixo pectore flammas, turbine corrupuit scupuloque infixit acuto, ast ego, quae divum incedo regina Iovisque et soror et conjunx, uno cum gente tot annos bello gero, et quisquam numen JUNONES adorat praetorea aut supplex aris imponet honorem. Remember, this is Juno, the speaker here. So, if we start from here, corrupuit is our first verb. She snatched up that man, breathing out flames, with his chest having been transfixed by a whirlpool or by a whirlwind. And she fixed him onto a sharp cliff. But I, who walk as queen of the gods, and both as sister and wife of Jove, wage wars for so many years with one nation. Gente, with one nation, with one clan, refers to the Trojans. Juno is waging war with the Trojans for so many years. Even though she has all this power, she's the sister, she's the queen of the gods, she's the wife of Jove, the king of the gods, the most powerful of the gods. She's really boasting her powers right here. And we continue. And who worships the divinity of Juno, moreover, or, as a supplicant, places an offering at her altars. And now she's saying, who worships me? Who would give me honors at my altars? Since she is waging war with this one clan for so many years with no results, who would place an offering for her? Up here we have some Polycindaton with the quae, et. Poly means many, syndaton, probably sentence, many conjunctions in a sentence. And up here, illum expirantem flammas. This refers to Ajax the younger, because Ajax was attacked by Athena whenever she was getting her revenge. So Athena snatched up that man, breathing out flames. Here's an ablative absolute, with his chest having been transfixed by a turbine or by a whirlpool, by a whirlwind. So Athena snatched him up in a whirlwind and then pressed him up against a cliff with his chest breathing out flames. It's all very, very chaotic and vengeful of Athena. And I think Juno's relishing in this, and she's saying, well, Athena was able to do this, why can't I do this to Aeneas? I want to get that Trojan king got. I want to punish that guy same way that Athena took her revenge. Yet she's forbidden from doing that same thing. And now she's saying, but I'm the queen of the gods. Don't I have the right to do this? I'm also the sister and the wife of the most powerful god, the king of the gods, Jove. So why am I not able to do the same thing that Athena did? And that's pretty much the gist of this section of the Aeneid.